Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a beautiful Vintage Coach Dinky bag to share with you, and this bag looks like it's in like new condition. Judging by the way it looks, I don't think it was ever used, so that's pretty cool to find. And anyway, the style number for Dinky bags was 9375, and this specific bag is in the color Mahogany Brown and was made in Costa Rica in 2000. So I'll go ahead and show you a close-up of the bag now. So as you can see, here's what the front looks like, here's the side, and then here it's got a non-detachable strap, and then here's the back. There's no back pocket on this one, this is just a straight across seam. And then here's the other side, and if you want to see how wide the bag looks, I'll show you the bottom. Okay, so now we'll open the turn lock closure, and here's what the inside looks like. So here's the inside of the bag. As you can see, it's kind of a smaller size bag, but it does have you know, enough room for the essentials here on the inside. And then it's got a zip pocket along the back, and here's the creed, so you can see it. So anyway, here's what the zip pocket looks like. You could also fit some things in here. But that's about it for this bag. That's what it looks like. And it does have the hang tag over here. But anyway, that's what the Dinky looks like. I will, of course, like always, link all of the information on this video down below in the description box if you wanted to look at any of that, and I will also link it below in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out further. So if the link works, then it's still available, but if you open the link and it says something about like the item is no longer available, that just means that it already sold. But yeah, that's it for this bag. Thanks for joining me on this bag tour, and I'll see you guys in the next video.